Welcome to the next generation of tile decking solutions with JV ground screws. No more concrete footings, just faster, stronger foundations. The J-Vice ground screws support Anchorjak's aluminium framing system, eliminating timber from the construction process. This ensures a perfect feel underfoot without the risk of timber warping over time. For different soil types, a geotechnical report helps determine the right depth and stability for installation. The ground screws are installed using a special drill. Once in place, simply attach the 200 by 200mm plate with an M20 bolt. This provides a wider, stable base for your Anchorjaks and frame construction. Next, our durable 16 by 200mm aluminium joists are added. The frame connects using purpose-built joist hangers and CPC 40 connectors to lock everything securely in place. The frame is overlaid with a 50 by 30 aluminium railing, which provides bearing support for the Anchorjak corner keeper system, ensuring strength for the next stage. Now the Anchorjak corner keeper goes on top, setting the stage for your tiles and creating a clunk-free, perfectly aligned finish. Install a 20mm structural slip-resistant porcelain tile for the perfect look. With ground screws installed to Anchorjak's specifications, you'll enjoy a durable, easy-to-install deck that feels as solid as walking on concrete. Anchorjak, precision you can trust, durability that lasts. Decking levelled up, faster, smarter and stronger. A long-term, low-maintenance alternative to timber-framed decking. JV ground screws, the foundation of the future, suitable for a range of applications. Contact the Anchorjak team for more information.